Truth. And a white hauler with a bone shaker on the side. Here, Hopkins logo here. Next up, we have good old Twinmill. This car is definitely going to fly on the track. It's pretty nice. Gorgeous car. I like the clear wheels, the clear base matching in the same color. That's really cool. Next up, we have everyone's favorite KITT. This is car number 1 for the Hot Wheels Screen Time series and Series 1. So it's a dark kind of gunmetal color. It's just nice. The window is all scuffed up. It sucks. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, see that? That really is kind of a pain in the ass bummer. Take this one back. Last but not least, it's the Volkswagen T1 GTR. This thing is going to be awesome. It's car number 5 out of 6 from the Nightburners series, for the Series 1's vehicle. Go, the moment of truth. I always like this car. It's different. It's gorgeous. The texture on it is kind of interesting. Very cool. If you liked this video, you may also like to watch some of my other Hot Wheels ID series reviews. I have videos from Series 1 and Series 2. Check out my Instagram at StickShiftHotWheels for my Hot Wheels photography. Have a great day.